To charge your Oppo Find X9 Pro, first of all, you will need to get the appropriate charger for this specific model. So on the back of the case, the box of this phone, we can find the charging information. It should be around 55 watts for best results of charging. So get a charging brick that is that around 55 watts. It doesn't come with the charging brick. You will need to buy it separately. And now when you have a proper charger, you can use cable that actually does come with this device for charging. It will give you the best results. And then simply connect the USB cable, USB-C, to your phone, and that way the charging should commence. You should see it on the top right here, or by looking on the battery icon, it should have this lightning icon. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.